Here we are with the babies. Hello, babies. Don't step on Mama's face, it hurts. You got sharp nails. Hello, babies. Oh, be nice now. Oh, it's been a day. These are piranha birds. They really are. They do nothing but chew on my earring. In my ear. I think Karis is the worst, but they all want to get their chomps in. Yes, they do. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Stop eating Mama's ear. There. There. No, no, they're going to eat my ring. I mean, it's literally stop them. They go right back. They're piranha babies.
What I'd like you to do, Samantha, is go to your room.
Whee! Look at the monkeys.
Smoking section.
I think there are more chickens. That was a sneak attack. That was a sneak attack. No fair. No fair. Hello, pretty babies. Hello, Grandma's babies. Oh, the babies are now at one feeding a day. And they have been at one feeding a day for almost a week. And they're all happy and healthy and eating more and more out of the regular food. Every day, I give them millet. They're not as interested in the millet as their parents. Come here, step up. As their parents, but they still eat a lot of millet. Oh, please stop eating my ear. Oh, poor grandma. Poor grandma. Okay. Well, there are the babies. Say bye, babies. Say bye, babies. They need homes.